The Sony A6400, also known as the runner-up best budget mirrorless camera for 2025. Despite being around for a while, it remains a strong contender with its unbeatable price-to-performance ratio. This camera is perfect for hobbyists, content creators, vloggers, and photographers who love capturing street or travel scene. Its compact build and lightweight make it easy to carry around, and the vertically hinged screen enhances its usability for various shooting angles. The A6400 excels in mobility, allowing you to handle it effortlessly with one hand. This is especially beneficial for quick shots thanks to its easily accessible dials. Customizable options abound with a high-resolution 180-degree touchscreen and sturdy, weather-sealed buttons and dials. The autofocus system is a standout, offering remarkable precision with 425 phase detection points that cover nearly 85% of the frame. Its autofocus speed is top-notch at 0.02 seconds, and it includes real-time eye tracking for portraits and pets, ensuring sharp focus even on the move. If speed is your thing, this camera delivers with burst shooting up to 11 frames per second or 8 frames per second with a silent shutter. It performs well in low light conditions thanks to its advanced sensor and image processor. Video capabilities are where the A6400 truly shine. Its touchscreen and flip screen make self-recording a breeze, while video-centric features like 10 customizable picture profiles, 4K recording, and slower fast motion options enhance creativity. An external microphone connector is also included for better audio quality. Good stuff, that's for sure.